Okay, so here everyone, this is Rohit Kumar. Let's start today's video. So in this video, we are going to design this model. Here you see this is a curved part that also have practiced in my previous video. I will put the link in I button so you can see the video right there. But now this video is a little bit different because here you see there are multiple holes. This one and this one, and this hole is a little bit tricky. So in this video, I'm going to teach you all the necessary steps that I have taken to design this model. And yeah, this video is for advanced level students. This is the advanced SolidWorks tutorial. So watch till the end so to understand every single thing that I'm going to do or every single technique that I'm going to implement in this video. Okay, to make this model. So let's start the video. But first of all, we need to check out that how the model is going to look like. So here you can see that here is our blueprint that I have created. Now here you can read that all the dimensions are in mm. Subscribe the channel for more videos of for sure. You have to subscribe the channel. Now here let me zoom this thing out here. First of all, we will create a curve, and then after this, we will make a pipe. And there are multiple steps that I'm going to take for making this model. But first of all, we need to make this one, and after this, we will make this one and this one. Let me show you in the SolidWorks. Yeah, first of all, we need to make this one and this one, and then after this, we will make this model. Okay, first of all, we will make this one. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so right now we need to open a new one. So simply go here and click on new and click on parts. Now the first thing that you need to check out is this here this dialog. This is for measurement. You can also edit the units, but here I this four are enough, and I'm going to choose mmgs millimeter gram and second, that which is most important, and our blueprint is also in millimeters. So simply go and click here. Now what will happen when you will click on this one? Then all the dimensions will be taken as millimeters. Okay, now we have to select a plane, and let's select front plane because we are going to design this one, and this one is the front view. Okay, so we have to design this one, and here you can read. Let me zoom this thing out. Now here is the angle. Okay, the angle is 60 degree and the radius is 70 degree, and then after this we need to make a pipe. Okay, make a solid body with a diameter of 70 mm. Here you can read. So go here, select center line or construction line, make a line like this, make this one. Okay, now here we see relation is done. This one is horizontal, and we need to make a line with some angle. Okay, simply go and convert this thing for convert construction geometry. Now here you see it's done. Now come here, select smart dimension, select this line, and give angle 60 degree. Now here you see it's angle 60 degree. Now we need to make a circle. Okay, simply make a circle. So here you can read that the radius of this one is 120 mm, so the diameter will be 240 mm. And then after this we will trim the unnecessary parts. Okay, so let's define its diameter as 240 because the radius was 120. Here you can see the radius is 120, so the diameter will be uh, uh, 240, and we need a arc, not a circle. So increase this one a little bit. Simply go back. This one, increase this one a little bit. Actually, the dimension for this one is not required. Simply go and trim entities and trim this one. Now here you can see this one is done. Now go to feature. We need to make this one as a circular body or a curved cylindrical body. So go to Swift box base and select circular profile. Okay, leave it. Select circular profile. You can also select sketch profile, but in that case, you need to make a sketch here. But we are going to make this one hollow. So right now, select circular profile and then select this one. Now here you see its diameter is 10 mm. So how much diameter we need? We need diameter around 70 mm. Okay. So give dimension 70. Now here you see and make this one okay. Now here you see this is our part. Again, go to cell command, select cell command, go to sort preview, preview, select this one and also select this one, this face, because we are going to trim this face. Okay, but now give thickness 5. Okay, why 5? Because here you can read where is the thickness. Yeah, here is the thickness. You can read the thing clearly. Here is the thickness. The thickness is 5 mm. 5 mm from both sides. It will automatically take 5 mm from both sides because it's circular part. Okay, and make this one. Okay, here you see the white line shows the part which we are going to cut, and make this one. Okay, now here you see our main part is done. Now we need to make a something here. So go here, select this face and make a sketch. Now here we need to make a circular profile. But first of all, you can also make a circle with this diameter, but no need to take a diameter. Just simply click this one. Here you see it takes orange. Simply select this one and convert this one as an entity because we need this one. Okay. Now go here and select a circle and also give its diameter. So how much diameter we need to take? Uh, 110. We are going to design this one. Take this one as 110. So make this one 110, 110 and make this one okay. Now go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this one in upward direction. Here you see, we need to extrude this one in upward direction, not in backward direction. So how much is the diameter? The thickness of this part is 12 mm. So let's give dimension 12 mm and simply make this one okay. Now here you see how this part is done. Now what we need to do? We need to do nothing. Okay, simply go and select this face and make this one as sketch. Now we also need to make a one more body here, but how? Here you see, come here. We are going to make this profile. So this time you need to select a center rectangle. Simply select the center rectangle. Here is the center point. Make a rectangle like this. Okay. Now read the drawing carefully. The dimension of this one, distance from this line to this line is 90 mm and the distance from this line to this line is 120 mm. So we need to make the upper one as 90 mm, then the side one as 120 mm. Okay. So go to smart dimension, give dimension 90 mm and give this dimension as 120 mm. Okay. Now go to sketch fillet and select all. We need to make fillets here. So what's the radius of fillet? It's 15. Here you see. So simply go and give radius 15. Otherwise you have to make fillets again on the four sides. So better to make fillets right now and make this one okay. And also come here. Make this one okay. Come here now. Again select. Why I'm selecting this one? If you will not select this one, then you have to make a hole here. But no need to make hole. Simply select this. Now it turns into blue. So go to convert entity and go to feature. Go to extruded boss base. And now we need to extrude this one. And how much we need to extrude? Uh, Come down. We need to extrude this one around 15 mm. Here you can see 15 mm. We need to extrude this one around 15 mm. So give dimension 15 mm and make this one okay. Now here you see our main body is done and we just need to make some more work here. So come here on this face, select this face. This time select this face and make this one as sketch. Now here you see this time we are going to create this one. Okay. Now zoom this one out. Now here you see here is also some of the important dimensions are given. So now first of all we will create this thing. So simply go here, find a circle and find the center point. Here you see this blue line shows the center point. Make a circle like this and from this line to this distance from this line to the center point is how much? It's 35. Here you see from bottom line to the center point of this circle is 35. So we need to make this one as 35. Make this one as 35 and okay. Now this time give a diameter to this one. Here is only radius is given which is around 20 mm. So we need to make double of 20. Okay. So what is the double of 20? It's 40. Make this one 40. Make this one okay. Wait a second. Yeah, it looks fine. So simply go here, select a construction line, make a construction line like this. and make a line like this. Again, make a line here, like this one. No, 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 not like this. Make a line like this. From the inside of this, take a line and connect to this line, and simply say join it to the center point and make this one okay. And this time give dimension also, dimension to this one also. So how much? Here you see the thickness of this part is 12 mm, so the distance from of this line from the center point is around 6 mm. So when we will mirror this one, then the overall dimension will automatically become 12 mm. Okay, so make this one 6 mm, make this one okay. Now go to mirror entities. This time select this two lines, go to mirror about, and we already know that how we need to do, how we have to do that. So click on here. Now go to trim entities and trim this one. Okay, now go to features, go to extruded boss base. Now here you see it going in this direction, but we need to reverse the direction. So simply reverse the direction, but not blind. Select up to next, and this is the next, so it will automatically take this surface. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now come here, make a sketch, come to circle, again find the center point of this circle and make another circle with a diameter 20 mm. Okay, here you can read the diameter of this circle is 20 mm. We need to make a hole here. So make this one okay, and go to feature, select extruded cut. This time again, actually up to next is already selected, so this one is the next. This whole part is the next, so it will automatically take this one as next. Otherwise, if you will select blind, then we have to give some dimensions and simply make this one okay. Now here you see, here is the hole that we need. The hole is done. Now what we need to do? Again come here. This time select a center rectangle. Okay, choosing center rectangle is more conventional, comfortable. Make a rectangle like this. Now this time, here is the distance is 5 mm. From this line to this line, we had taken a center rectangle and we had taken center rectangle from this line. So we need to take the thickness of this rectangle as a 10 mm. So the high, it will all automatically take half of it because it's covering only half of this one. So give this dimension as 10 mm and also give this dimension as how much? Uh, 70 mm. So make this one 70. Okay, now here you can read. This one is fully defined. Go make this one okay. Again, go to feature, go to extruded cut. This time select through all because we need to cut this one completely and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now again, what we need to do? We need to make fillet. This one is a not fillet, sorry. This one is a chamfer. We need to make chamfer with dimension 3 mm. Okay, and the angle will be 45. Actually, every chamfer the angle is 45. So come here. This time select a chamfer because we need two chamfer, not a single one. If we need a single one, then you just click this one and put the chamfer. This time give a dimension 3 mm and select this one, and also come here and select this corner also. Chamfer and fillets work only on corner. Make this one okay. Now here you see this one is done. Now we need to do some more work here. So go here, go this face and make a sketch. Now this time select a circle, find the center point and make a circle like this. But this time we need this one as for construction. So simply click on this one and make this one okay. Now this time we need to give the dimension to this one also. So how much dimension we need to give this one? Come here. Now here you can read. It's 38.97. Actually it's 38.97. So let's make this one as 40 mm. Okay. Make this one 40, not 40. Let's make this one 80 mm. Now here you see. No, no. Let's make this one 85. 90. Make this one 90. Yeah, 90 is perfect. And here you see, come to normal. Here you see 90 is done. Actually, there's some mistake in the drawing. So 90 is fine. So this time select another circle and come here. They find this point and make a circle here. But this time here you can read that the radius of this circle is 5 mm. So the diameter will be 10 mm. So we need to make a circle with a diameter 10 mm. So simply make this one 10. Now come here. This time we need to make copies. So go here in linear sketch patterns, find circular sketch pattern, and in parameter you have to select the center point. Always you have to select the center point in sketch only. But in feature you have to select the body. Now entity is to pattern. Which entity we are going to pattern? So click this one. And what is the quantity of this circle? It's 6. So simply give quantity 6 and make this one okay. Now go to features, go to extruded cut. Here you see this one is wrong, not through all. We need to select up to next. So it will automatically take up to next and make this one okay. Now here you see this one looks more practical and more suitable. Now what left? This time we need to make come here, come down. We need to make this part. Here you see, but here's also angle given. So this part is at an angle of 20 mm, but we need to make a plane here, and the distance of plane from the center point is how much? Come here. Where the distance given? Is there any distance given? Yeah, here the distance given from center point to this line is 160. So let me show you. Again, come here. Front plane. Select front plane. Now come here. Center line. Select a center line. Connect to it to this point. This point. Make this one okay. Now again here the relation is done. So it will not move. Again select center point. Select this center line. Center point. Select and make a line like this. Make this one okay. This time give this one dimension, and the dimension of this one is 160 mm. Here you can see it's 160 mm. The dimension of this line, this construction line is 160 mm. So here is done. This time we just need to specify the angle. The angle is 20 degree. Okay. Here you see. Here you can read this angle is 20 degree and the overall angle is 60 degree. We just need to take this angle. This angle is 20 degree. Come upward now. Wait a second. Now, now what we need to do? We are going to make a plane here, but how? There is a technique. Let me show you. Go to feature, go to construction geometry. Okay, make this one okay. Now here you see this angle is visible. Here go to plane. This time select this one. Here you see our line axis line is done. Now we need to select position. So select this point. Now here you see our plane is done and make this one okay. Now come here and make this one a sketch. Now we need to make a sketch here. So again go here, select center rectangle because we are going to make a rectangle here, center rectangle here. This time we need to give dimension and which is 32 by 32. Okay. So we need to make this one 32 by 32. Go to smart dimension, give this dimension as 32 mm and this one will also be 32. Okay, this time we need to give some fillets here also. So go to sketch fillet, select all. Now what is the radius of fillet? Let me see. Yeah, here is the radius given. The radius is 5 mm. The radius of this fillet is 5 mm. Okay, so make this one 5. Now make this one okay. Go to feature. Make this one okay first. Go to feature. Go to extruded boss base. Now it's going in upward direction. This time you need to select up to surface and change the direction. Simply change the direction. Select this surface. Now here you see. You can also select up to next. Both are same, but in up to surface you have to select the surface and make this one okay. Now here you see. If you want, then you can hide this one. Better to hide this one and better to hide this line also. Now here you see. Now come here. Make a sketch. Here you see the center point is given. Now we need to make a sketch here. Again, one more circular sketch. Now this time the diameter of this circle is how much? Is 21.48, right? But actually it's not 21.48. It was 20. So simply make this one 20. Let's make this one 20. Okay. Go to feature. Go to extruded cut. Actually here up to next is already selected. So make this an okay. Now here you see. Okay, just leave it. We need to make holes here, right? Now here we need to make some holes, but first we will create a hole here. So this time we will just take another technique. So go sketch, go to feature, make this one okay. Now here you see, go to hole wizard. This time we need to select hole type. So we are going to select counter hole. Simply select counter hole. Here is everything is already selected because we had done this one before. Make a select position and take this one as position. Now find the center point and make this an okay. Again do the same thing here. Why I'm doing this? Because doing this thing is more easier than making profile, than selecting extruded cut or making relations. So this one is a better technique. Now here you can see this is the hole. This white yellow profile shows the hole. Okay. Now let me show you. Counter hole is selected. ISO standard ISO type hex bolt grade. This one is a hex bolt because we are going to connect bolt here. Okay. Uh, yeah, but this hole is only for bolt. Actually, there are multiple options. The size M10 and there are also some more size. Here you see. Here you see this gap. The thick distance from this one to this one is 1 mm. Here you see everything is done. Here are multiple options that you can select or you can customize the hole. Simply make this one okay. Now here you see our hole is done. Again we need to make a hole here. Go to hole wizard again. Select this counter hole. Go to position and select this position. Now select this center point. Now here you can read, but it takes through all. So go here, come down, select up to next. Now here you see it will take up to next and make this an okay. Now here you see. So this is our final drawing. Now this time let's give some material. So go to appearance, in appearance select metal and give metal bronze. Does nickel. Okay, you can also customize the color from here, edit appearance, but this one is fine. So this is our final model which we had created today, and we had learned how to make plane, what the technique we need to follow, and how to make holes. If you want, then I will make a separate video on holes and extrude cut and extrude ball base, which I will do later. And here we also learned how to make this circle curved pipe with the help of angle and radius, and how to make radius. Okay, first of all, first you need to make angle, and then after this you can make radius. So now here this is the final model, this is the final model, the final product. I hope that you like the video, so please go and subscribe the channel and also share with a friend, and please click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. You guys are really very sweet because you are supporting me and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching and keep practicing. Thank you.